Hi, this is Manish Pandey. Welcome back. In this video, you will learn how to download and install Visual Studio Code. So let's start now. You can open any browser. You have to search for Visual Studio Code and then click on this Visual Studio Code Editing Redefined. Click on this and then you can see here we are getting an option here, download for Windows. If you are going to download for Windows, you can click on this one. Let's click on this. Downloading has been started. Let's wait for some time. Okay, so this has been downloaded now. Let's click on open folder and then let me close this. This is the setup. Just double click on that to install this. Click on I accept, click next, and then click next. You can choose this one, create a desktop icon. If you want this Visual Studio icon on the desktop, you can check this checkbox and then you will have this two checkbox checked. This register code as an editor for supported file types and then add to path requires cell restart. Now click next, click install. Now it can take some time, depends on your system. Now Visual Studio Code has been installed on your system. You can see here this is the desktop icon for this Visual Studio Code. Click finish, it will launch that. So this is Visual Studio Code. Here you can start with this and then first you can change the theme. So I will be using this light modern and then click on mark done. Thank you.